welcome back to Only Survival, the second episode. So, we're back in, and as you can see, I have done some upgrading. As you can see at the back of me, I have dug a hole, a massive hole, and then maybe you can see a little chest back there. And I've made another room, as you can see. And then I got some diamonds. I went on a big mining spree and I found 12 diamonds plus, wow, that was rude. That was my washing machine. That was rude. I found loads of diamonds. I think I have 12 or something in my inventory. And then I haven't got a diamond sword yet. Don't know why I don't have a diamond sword, but just don't. And then I have a diamond pickaxe. Obviously, we're gonna get loads and loads of obsidian because we need obsidian for this house. Because this house is just wood. I can't deal with wood. Anyways, guys, let's get going. So here's what I've got done so far. This room is definitely not complete. I've only got 3 chests, which isn't too great. And then I've got this massive mining, I don't know what you call it, mining thing that, you know, I'm going all the way down. I needed to get to that level 11, you know, to get those diamonds. Found some diamonds here, found lots of diamonds, and then there was this one cave. Let me show you guys it. One massive cave that I found all my diamonds. Oh my god, I didn't even get food. And it was this cave, and it's massive. So yeah, that's what I've been doing while off camera. And I haven't cheated. I definitely haven't cheated. I thought somehow I was cheating myself because I wasn't getting any, and I mean any. I wasn't getting any, legit, any achievements, and I was so annoyed. I was like, why am I not getting achievements? And then I sheared a sheep, and I got my first achievement. So yay! Wait, let me get some pork chops because I'm hungry. So eat this. Might hear my washing machine. Maybe my washing machine wasn't actually so quiet when I started recording, and now it's just gone bonkers. Oh yeah, and I changed like the stairs because, you know, you can only get up like just from this little one, and now you can get up from all of them. And then I decided, no, I need food, so made a wheat farm as well. Basically, it works. I don't want to make a massive I didn't want to like create everything and like decorate everything, because I wanted to do it when I was on camera. So I only just dug out this to make it more easier, because digging is a bit boring, got to admit. And digging down there was a boring work, but you know what, I like it. Let's go to bed. Finally have a bed with those shears. They help me very much. Okay, so let's go and get some sheep. Guys, look what I found. Hello. Can you tell me whereabouts in this world is your trainer? No? Yeah, listen to me. Where is your trainer? Staring contest. Haha, I won. Bye. Bye, that was mean. You just left. That was mean. So, you guys, I have found my first sheep. Yay. Now I've got 2. Yay. 2 new beautiful sheep. Let's go to bed now. By the way, if you can hear that noise, it's my washing machine once again. It's going crazy. Anyway, Anyways, let's go to sleep. Let's breed these two little sheep. Yay! Yay, little baby sheep! Lol, I'm obsessed when it comes to these things. Literally, get these. There we go. We got, okay, that doesn't, red, this red and this pink don't match. Why don't they match? I don't know. Where's the red baby? The red baby looks cute. This is the thing, I am always distracted with sheep, with colours. Because I love colours on sheep. They just look so cute. Oh, the baby sheep looks better. Hey, move out of the way. Oh god, dang, they've been eating some grass, man. All their grass almost gone. Dang. Oh my god. Okay, it was this little one. You know what? Out of all of them, wasn't the two massive sheep, a big fat sheep? It was a little baby. It was a little baby. How do you fit that in your body? Look how small this little baby is. It was a baby. The hell? Why are you pushing? Why are you pushing? Why are you coming fast? Huh? No pushing. No pushing. Don't push, pink sheep. Okay. Hopefully they're going to be okay. And I'm just waiting for them to somehow revive their health so I can breed them again. I can. Yay! I guess I was wrong. Oh, I got a pink sheep. So cute. I was going to make it pink anyways. Anyways, you guys, I think that's it for this video, you know. Done quite a few things. We've got some more food, because now this is all full up. I got some food while I was out. I also been messing around, been playing, having a lot of fun. I think that's it for this episode. I haven't done much this episode because I've been talking about everything that I've done in between the episodes, so I'm not going to do that much this time. I was only doing it to get a kickstart. And let me just go down here quickly. Let me go get my diamonds. Go down. I'm gonna get my diamonds. Okay, they're in this one. I have 8 diamonds. 29 lapis lazuli. I have 8 diamonds plus diamond pickaxe plus some diamond boots. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it, and thank you for supporting my first video on this game and this new series. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next episode of Only Survive. Bye!